If you've been trying to make money with TikTok Shop, but you have no idea what products to choose, what videos to make, or where to even start, I completely understand. That's actually why I decided to check out Social Impact Shop Creator. And if you're interested, I'll leave the link down in the description so you can check it out for yourself. What caught my attention was that instead of just giving you random TikTok shop tips, the program is structured to actually walk you through the process. Inside, you get 15 lessons covering the fundamentals you need to get started, including choosing products, creating content, setting up your account, and understanding how to approach TikTok Shop as a creator. And honestly, that was the part I liked most because when you're starting out, there is so much information online. One person tells you to promote one type of product, another person tells you to make completely different videos. And after watching dozens of videos, you can actually end up more confused than when you started. What I wanted was a clear system that I could follow instead of constantly jumping from one strategy to another. So I went through the training, applied what I was learning, and stayed consistent. And I want to be clear about something. The course isn't a magic button. You still have to put in the work, create content, test different products, and stay consistent. But for me, after about 2 weeks of actually following the lessons and staying consistent, I started seeing some good financial results. And that was what made the experience worth it for me. I wasn't expecting to become successful overnight. I just needed a clear direction and a process I could actually follow. The program is currently available for $97. So if you're serious about learning TikTok Shop and you're tired of trying to figure everything out completely on your own, it may be worth checking out. I'll leave the link below in the description if you want to take a look. Just remember, your results will depend on the work you put in, but having a structured system can definitely make the learning process a lot easier.